Luckily we had some different lies, uphill, downhill, side hill we got to work on. Kind of learn how to adjust our aim for those. Kind of play away from the positions where we don't want to miss it. From the tee shots, we kind of focused in on that as well. So picking out your aim point based on where the trouble is, based on where we know your miss is. Miss is almost 90+% to the right if you miss, not hardly ever left. So playing away from the trouble on the left-hand side of every tee shot, which helped you out a lot. We had a lot of fairways today. Side hill lies, knowing the difference between below your feet, above your feet, side hill to kind of adjust for that aim point. That seemed to work really well for you too. So I would continue to work on the swing technique stuff, but try to when you come to the course, try to use the course as not thinking swing and thinking approach.
Yeah.
So when you're out here, it's more about pick your start line, get focused, zone into that start line, and just swing the club. You're not thinking about technique and positions. When we're working in the lab, when we're working on video and TrackMan, we can dial in some of those positions and technique. When you come out here, it's all about just playing golf.
Yep.
Any questions about the stuff we talked about?
So on the range, is there some things I could do with my swing to
Yeah, definitely on the range. I mean, there's certain places on the range where you can find some side hill, downhill lies, uphill lies. You can definitely work on that some on the range. You get a feel for how that changes your aim point. So pick out a target, hit some to that target from a similar position, same distance, same club from a flat lie, and then find a downhill slope, uphill slope around the range from a similar distance with the same club, and kind of see how it changes the ball flight. That downhill one's always usually going to want to try to scoop to the right a little bit, and then the uphill one's going to want to close the face and scoop to the left a little bit. So the one that's probably the hardest for you, because we know where your miss is the one below your feet,
makes you go more right.
because it's going to make you go more right. So just adjusting for that aim point, which you seem like you got it pretty well today. Any other questions?